How to use Affirm at Walmart in-store. Let's get started. For in-store purchases, use the Affirm virtual card. Affirm offers a virtual card that allows you to shop at any retailer that accepts credit or debit card payments, including Walmart. Download the Affirm app if you haven't already. Inside the app, apply for financing or a virtual card for your desired purchase. You'll get approved instantly. Once approved, Affirm will generate a virtual card that you can use like a regular credit card. At checkout, open the Affirm app, find the virtual card, and provide the card details to the cashier. You can then make your purchase just like you would with any other debit or credit card. So this way you can easily use Affirm at Walmart in-store. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.